Hai. So, macam mana kita nak terapkan pada anak-anak daripada peringkat awal lagi tentang bukan ijazah yang menjamin mereka mendapat pekerjaan ataupun berjaya dalam bidang kerjaya. Ijazah tu. Ijazah tu hanya tiket untuk ataupun keputusan yang baik dalam setiap peperiksaan pada setiap peringkat SPM, matriculation, degree, bachelor degree. Hasil akhir tu, the best result always will give you better options. Better options. Contohnya best result in SPM, have high chances to get scholarship, get to the top universities. Don't deny that. Don't tell that top is everything not important. If you're a loser, you're a loser. But don't deny people successful punya achievement. Okay, so simple as that. If you cannot achieve it, fair enough. Don't be so-called, don't be negative. Don't be joy killer. Okay, you can't afford it. You can't achieve it now. Maybe later is your time. But don't discredit people who are getting best result. But for me, I keep telling my children, okay, saya cakap anak-anak saya, yang akan menjamin kejayaan, your survival dalam dunia kerjaya, even nak dapatkan kerja, interview semua tu, even nak dapatkan kerja pun ialah, kalau nak kerja lah, okay, is your attitude, okay, your sikap, your cara pemikiran, okay, your vision, your actions. Don't depend on degree, segulung kertas untuk menentukan masa depan. Itu akan beri a good start. Because you akan dapat better options. Okay, you have better result, you have better options, high chances to call for the interview, high chances to be selected for program and all that. Contohnya kebanyakan program yang so-called graduate trainee program, kebanyakannya letak semua minimum 3.0 pointer. So kalau pemalas-pemalas belajar masa universiti tu, jangan harap lah. Okay, something like that. So this is how kita motivate our children to look at their effort, their attitude, okay, and their discipline, their actions to secure or to lead to a good job, even to survive, even to improve in the career, not the paper. Itu sajalah pendapat dan komen tentang apa kita terapkan kepada anak-anak, insya-Allah.